Hey, and welcome back to another video. Now, Apple Watches are expensive pieces of hardware that most of us purchase with intent of use for mostly tracking our workouts, calories burned, miles walked, as well as use as fashion accessories, and so on. Most of us depend on these devices daily, and since they are always attached to our wrists, they tend to get dirty really fast, and are way more prone to damage than our phones. In this video, I'll show you 10 methods for caring for your Apple Watch on a daily basis. But firstly, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content from me. And now let's jump right in. The first 5 ways I'll be explaining are how to keep your Apple Watch clean, and the last 5 will be care and maintenance. Jumping to number 1, wiping the sensor housing. The circular ceramic housing for the sensors located under the watch is always in contact with your hand, so will accumulate sweat and dirt the fastest. Dirt buildup here could cause inaccurate readings from the sensors themselves. Wipe down with a wet cloth on the top as well as around its rim. Use only water and don't use any solvents of any sort. Number 2, the second thing to get dirty the fastest on an Apple Watch are the straps. Cleaning the straps depends on the type of strap itself. Rubber and stainless steel straps can be easily washed out, but leather and cloth straps should be wiped with a wet cloth. As for the strap locks, clean them with a wet cloth as seen here, as well as the lock release button. Number 3, the digital crown, microphone and speaker holes. The digital crown has a space between it and the body of the watch. Accidental spills of soda or dust collection can cause it to get sticky or completely stuck. Caution: do not attempt this method if your watch has had any form of digital crown repair or replacement in the past. To clean it, drop a few drops of water between the digital crown and the body and move it around a bit. Then blow into the gap a few times and let it dry. Absolutely do not use dental floss or wire as it may damage it. As for the speakers and mic holes, clean them with a wet Q-tip as such. Number 4, cleaning the display is pretty straightforward. Just wipe it with a damp cloth and then a dry one to avoid watermarks. Number 5, a dirty charger can cause scratches to the sensor housing of your Apple Watch. Unplug your charger and clean it with a damp cloth and wait till it's dry to begin charging again. Now moving on to care and maintenance. Number 6, doorways and corners. A decent enough knock on a door frame or a sharp corner can destroy the glass on your Apple Watch, which will cost hundreds of dollars to repair. So take caution when entering or leaving a room to not knock your hand on the door frame. A few induced practice tries will hardwire this into your head, and the next time you'll do it without thinking. Number 7, heat and steam. Avoid using your Apple Watch in areas of excessive heat or steam, such as while cooking or getting too close to a fire. The heat can damage the microphone and speakers, and in the case of a watch that has had open body repairs in the past, steam can enter and condense, causing a short. Number 8, using beyond rated conditions. All Apple Watches are rated with a dust and water rating. This rating tells you exactly the depth and time that the watch can be exposed to liquid as well as dust. Series 0s and Series 1s are rated at IPX7, meaning that they are unrated for dust but can survive immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. However, Apple does not recommend immersing the Series 1 and Series 0 in water. Series 2s and above can be immersed for swimming but should avoid high velocity water. Apple has an entire page on Apple Watch water resistance that I'll link in the description below for you to read. Number 9, screen protectors and cases. A great way to protect your Apple Watch is with a screen protector or a case. There are a wide variety to choose from, including standard plastic screen protectors as seen here, which protect against basic scratches, or tempered glass screen protectors which protect against impact. Cases can be used to protect the body as well. However, these usually affect the look of the watch and many people don't use them because of that. And finally, number 10, repairs. If by a stroke of bad luck you do have to take your watch in for repairs, I recommend doing it at Apple or any Apple certified technician, as these are very delicate devices and one slight mistake can damage the watch even further. Do not cheap out on your repair, as this may worsen its condition. So finally, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you in some form or another, and I hope you enjoy your Apple Watch as much as I do with mine. Please don't forget to like this video and check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.